trucks. So we have some more stuff to put on this truck right here. So we got some Frontline LED headlights. We got 2 boxes to put on this truck, so we're gonna see how this goes. Spend about $80 a piece probably. Look. Oh, that's how cheap he is.
Alright, so this is what we're working with. Let's go ahead and open these bad boys up. So to replace the cheap Temu lights, we got some high quality new strips from Frontline, and they come with an external, basically a brain
that you don't have. Look. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm not really sorry.
Now we got to take off this little air diffuser inside our engine bay above the grill, and we got to pop all the little pin push tabs. Oh, there it is, like these. Pop all those out all the way along. First you got to undo this, and it's a Torx bit. And then we'll pull that off and we'll get to the wiring. I already have wiring. I'll put the link to the original video for these if you want to learn to do the wiring. I'll go over it a little bit, but it'll be the same concept. Bam! Cheap Temu lights. Boom. Alright, so lost a lot of footage from last time, didn't get a whole lot, but we got one strip running on the hood. We couldn't do it right here where we wanted it to. It wasn't going to work out the way we wanted it. We got one right on top of the bumper underneath the grill. They light up super bright. We'll have a video at the end showing the results. But wiring is pretty simple. I'm going to link the last video that went to the original Temu lights on the top. That'll show basically the same wiring. We're using the same harnesses that we did. Only difference is instead of one turn signal wire, you're gonna have 2 turn signal wires. And it's gonna be one's for the left side, one's for the right side. It's gonna be the same for both harnesses. You just tie both of them together and you'll be good. So these are them combined with the mirrors. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it on cam, but like I said, the final result will be in the very end. But combined with the mirrors, the turn signals look amazing. And then when the running lights are on, it looks even better. So let's see the final results.